Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had 2 directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis. Checking in on Bitcoin, we'll start with the hourly time frame. And one thing I've liked about Bitcoin, watching it trade over the past few weeks, is how very clear it becomes when we get so tight that we know a break is imminent. And what I mean by that is that the trading range just shrinks up, the volume completely drops off, and we know to be looking for a clear break. So that occurred most recently on this bounce attempt. We topped out at 1020, then we saw a top out at 1019, a double top at that resistance, and then right here, over last night, we knew a break was coming because it was so extremely tight, volume just disappeared, and then you just wait for a volume spike to see which direction we're going to be heading in, and very clearly, it was a bull break. So after that bull break, we saw a nice continuation to the upside, and we're forming higher lows and higher highs. The bulls want to maintain 1018 support and keep that higher low pattern alive. Resistance currently is 1043, and if we break that level, zooming out to the daily time frame, we can see that we had a couple resistance levels up here, 1044, 1056, and then the highest price we saw was 1075 on this original bounce attempt. And obviously, if we break 1075, that's going to be really bullish for continuation for a higher high on this bounce attempt. So the bulls do have control in the short term as long as we keep that hourly higher low pattern alive. And you can see the daily chart has been forming higher lows now 4 days in a row. And we are looking for a bullish MACD cross to see that strength really follow through. But as of right now, definitely not entirely confident that we're going to be heading back towards those highs. We are negating that candlestick from last week where we have our high, our low from the dip, our lower high with the high of last week, and then rather than pulling back and seeing another red week and forming a higher low, the bulls are holding on strong here. So that's a really good sign for the bulls, the fact that we're not seeing this equilibrium pattern play out significantly back towards the downside. We could have pulled back all the way to 900 and fit in this equilibrium pattern of a tightening range of higher lows and lower highs. So the bulls are holding on. Ideal scenario is a break of 1075. That would show a lot of strength heading back towards the high that we've seen of 1140. And as long as we maintain higher lows and higher highs on the daily, I just pointed out on the hourly what we need to hold, but on the daily, the bulls need to hold the low of this doji here, and that low was down at 975. So that's a key support level going forward. We'll throw a line right there, and in terms of resistance, our recent high is going to be a key resistance level. So that's the longer-term channel. I'd call that a mid-term channel that I'm going to be watching here on Bitcoin, and we'll be looking to see how much continuation the bulls can get after that nice volume spike and bull break on the hourly time frame. So I appreciate you watching. We'll keep checking in on Bitcoin. Certainly interesting here. And there's people that say that Bitcoin doesn't follow technical analysis, and I think that's absolutely hogwash. We've got technical analysis is based off of human emotion and trading, and obviously we've got humans trading this. We know there's algos trading, but algos are enacted by humans, and there's certainly human traders here as well. So it definitely does apply. It's definitely useful. We could see that clear double top with a clear bull break leading to further upside, and we'll keep checking in on it.